Silence is power, but most people are terrified of it.
Because silence forces honesty.
We live in a noisy world, constant talking, constant scrolling, constant stimulation. People surround themselves with noise because silence feels uncomfortable. But powerful people understand something different. Silence creates clarity.
When the noise disappears, your mind finally begins to think deeply.
Some of your greatest breakthroughs will happen in silence,
Not in crowds, not in chaos.
in quiet moments, moments where you reflect, plan, think. Silence helps you understand yourself, your fears, your habits, your goals, your weaknesses.
That self-awareness is powerful.
Most people avoid silence because they are uncomfortable with themselves, so they escape through entertainment, noise, distraction.
But escape never creates growth.
Silence also builds emotional control. When you constantly react to noise, your mind becomes restless.
But when you spend time in stillness, your thoughts become calmer. Your focus improves, your decisions improve, your discipline improves. Powerful people are often quiet.
Not because they have nothing to say, because they understand the value of observation. Weak people constantly seek attention, strong people seek understanding. Silence allows you to think before reacting. That emotional control changes lives. Emotional build. Imagine spending more time thinking deeply instead of constantly consuming noise. Imagine the mental clarity, the focus, the peace. Most people are mentally exhausted because their minds never rest.
Silence heals that.
Silence strengthens that. Silence transforms that.
Spend more time in silence.
Think deeply, reflect honestly, protect your peace, because silence is not weakness, silence is power.